In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix conditional formatting issues in Smartsheet. If you've opened a sheet and noticed that the formatting is not showing up the way you expected, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to one of the formatting rules being set up incorrectly, applied to the wrong area, or placed in the wrong order. The good news is that Smartsheet makes it fairly straightforward to review and correct those rules once you know where to look. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet where you're seeing the conditional formatting problem. It's important to work directly in the sheet where the issue appears so you can compare the rules against the actual data that should be triggering them. Once the sheet is open, go to the conditional formatting option. This is where all of the active formatting rules for that sheet are stored. When the conditional formatting panel opens, take a moment to review the existing rules carefully. Don't rush through this part because even a small mismatch can cause the formatting to fail or display incorrectly. Look at each rule one by one and check the condition being used. Make sure the rule is based on the correct logic, such as whether a value contains specific text, matches a number, or meets a date-related condition. Next, verify the column and the value connected to the rule. A common problem is that the rule is pointing to the wrong column, or the value entered in the rule doesn't exactly match what appears in the sheet. Also, check the formatting style itself, including things like text color, background color, or other visual indicators, so you can confirm the intended result is easy to recognize. After that, make sure the rule is being applied to the correct rows or columns. Sometimes a rule is valid, but it's targeting the wrong range, which means the expected cells never get formatted. If everything looks correct, but the output is still off, you may need to edit the rule. In some cases, reordering the rules is also necessary, especially when multiple rules could apply to the same cells. The order matters because one rule can override another depending on how the sheet is configured. Once you've made any needed adjustments, save the rule and return to the sheet to confirm that the formatting now works as expected. It's a good idea to visually check a few sample rows so you can be sure the rule is triggering correctly. That's how to troubleshoot and fix conditional formatting issues in Smartsheet clearly and efficiently.